Good morning, Standard 2. Today we're going to be looking at the word P and we're going to combine them with some O letters. So to do P, you would start like in the midpoint of the line, curve up, stroke down, right back up on that line, curve. That's the capital P. Let's try it again. Curve up, straight down, gonna go right back up on that line and curve. So that is our capital P. Now we want to go ahead and do the small p. So I think you could fit like 4 p's or 5 p's on that line, capital P. The capital P stands straight up. Now the small p, you start at the bottom of the line, curve up, go down into the other line, come right back up on that line, curve on the line, and out. So the small p, you start on the bottom of the line, straight down to the other line, right back up on that line, and curve out. So your small p is, okay, let me fix that one real quick. All right, so let's go back and do our small p. Start on the bottom of the line, curve up, straight down to the other line, back up, curve around, and out. So I think you can also fit 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 p's on that line. And I want you to go ahead and do a full page of this P. And then you can go ahead and send me a picture. Tomorrow we're going to work on joining this P with other letters because I want to see if you guys can do your small p and capital P first, right? Okay, bye.